Hello to all the lovely traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to teach you a simple trading strategy that even beginners can easily use. This strategy is very simple and you don't need to have a lot of knowledge or be very professional. You just need to follow a few simple steps. So without wasting any time, let's get to today's awesome video. First, go to the TradingView website. Enter the symbol section and choose your desired symbol. You can choose the symbol that you trade the most. I will choose gold. After that, go to the time frame. For this strategy, you can select a time frame between 1 to 15 minutes. My choice is a 5-minute time frame. Now we need to add the first indicator to the chart. So go to the Indicators tab and type Trend Magic. When you find it, click on it to add it to your chart. Okay, now let's go to its settings and enter the settings for this indicator. In the Input tab, you don't need to change any values, just make sure they stay the same. Now go to the Style tab and change the colors of this indicator as you like. Well, this indicator has a middle line that acts like moving averages, with the difference that it changes color itself, making our job easier. We can also use this indicator to identify trends, but today we are using it to find buy and sell signals and points for entering trades. How? It's simple. You just need to find the points where the color changes in this middle line occurs. For example, here you can see that the color of this line has changed from green to red, meaning our uptrend has ended and is turning into a downtrend. So this point can be a sell signal for us and prepare us for entering a sell trade. Or here where you can see that the color of this line has changed from red to green, meaning our downtrend has ended and is turning into an uptrend. So this point is considered a buy signal for us. And you can see how much profit we could have made by entering a buy trade. But remember that in some cases where the market is sideways, this indicator changes color continuously and quickly. Whenever this happens, we need to realize that the market trend has ended. However, since this might be a bit challenging for us, we will use another indicator to help with this. So let's go to the indicator section and type MACD4C. We find it and add it to our chart. Now let's enter its settings and make some changes to it. This indicator has a middle line and a histogram, with its color being green in some places and red in others. When the histogram is green and above the middle line, we consider the trend to be upward and only look for buy signals. When the histogram is red and below this line, we consider the trend to be downward and only look for sell signals and sell trades. Remember that the taller columns of this histogram are, the stronger our trend is, and we can trust the generated signals more. Now we have learned how to use each indicator, but we still don't know how to enter a trade. So I need to explain the next step to you. But before that, I want you to make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. And if you liked this video so far, please make sure to give it a like. Now let's move on to buy order. To enter a buy order, we first need to find a point where the color of the Trend Magic indicator changes from red to green. After that, we need to ensure that at this point, we are in an uptrend and the histogram is also green. If both of these conditions are met, we can understand that we have found a suitable entry point for the trade. Now for the stop loss, it is enough to find the last swing low and set your stop loss a little below that. Well, it's time to enter the trade. For the take profit, we just need to consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the price to reach our take profit level. For sell orders, we first need to look for a point where the trend magic indicator changes color from green to red. Then we should check the histogram and ensure that we are in a downtrend. If we could find these statements on the chart, it means we have found a suitable entry point for our trade. Now we can set our stop loss a little above the last swing high. After that, we enter the sell trade and consider our risk to reward ratio as 1 to 1.5, and we wait for our trade to close with a profit. Today, we'll learn how to use the trend magic and MACD indicators to find suitable entry points for buy and sell trades. Remember, for buy trades, look for a change in the indicator's color from red to green and make sure the histogram is green. For sell trades, identify the change in color from green to red in the indicator and check that the histogram is red. Always set your stop loss and take profit based on the last swing high and last swing low points and consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. If you enjoyed this video and think it could help others, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments and questions below. I would be happy to chat with you.